Today we're going to look at the Tico Yardspotter. Let's go over some features. Alright guys, a great feature on this Yardspotter that a lot of companies don't do and that Tico loves is that these are air controlled doors. They're easily pull out versus being on a track. That way you're not getting dirt or anything in between and also not straining yourself trying to roll it back and forth. As a company, I know the big deal is safety. With the Tico Pro Spotter, safety is at the forefront of their mind. As you can see here, everything is brightly colored. Everything is easy to see. And as we step down, you'll notice that there is no spots that I'm going to get my foot caught in or accidentally trip. Everything is nice and easily accessible as I come to the ground. And as we come down, the most important thing is uptime, efficiency, able to get the job done quickly and safely. See, all your pre-checks are right down here at ground level. You don't have to worry about propping up the cab. You don't have to worry about trying to get in between something. Everything is very easily accessible to create maximum uptime. One thing that is standard on all Ticos, which is great for living in the Midwest, is the galvanized floor. You don't have to worry about rust or any corrosiveness. It's all right here, and there's a rub rail to help you mitigate damage to the cab. Now, one thing that is different that Tico does is the cab is a composite versus metal. So again, you don't have to worry about rusting, corrosiveness, and it's very easy to replace if you have, God forbid, you ever need a replacement. As we come around the front, you'll see everything is open, so you're able to easily, again, maintain this product. And all your pre-checks, your hours, your fluids are all at ground level. One thing you hear from me time and time again on this is uptime, efficiency, safety. The most important thing, especially when you're running a business. So you'll see here that you have this huge thick bumper. It's heavy duty, but it's also a function. It's 7 inches away from the cab to help, again, mitigate damage and also keep your driver safe. Everything is very easily accessible. You have your snowplow headlights, LED, so you don't have to change bulbs or anything, but if there's any damage, it's just one bolt. Comes right out. Your mechanic's going to love you. And probably the most important thing that your mechanic's going to love is these two panels here. This panel, from ground level, you're able to take it off and work on any electronics that you need right in here. Then over here, you got your HVAC and everything else. Again, something that's easy, that you don't have to go and lay into the cab, be all crunched up, and you're able to get it done quickly. This right here is a guard that helps mitigate side damage. It is galvanized, again, for corrosiveness. It is also easy to take off and replace an unfortunate accident. Alright guys, if you ain't impressed, I don't know what will impress you. As we keep going along, you will see everything is easy. Get into your air cleaner right here. And you have your breakaway glad hands. God forbid if your guys are in a rush and they forget, you're not going to create a lot of damage to the Tico. And you got your nice cab protection here. That way, if they accidentally miss the trailer, it's going to hit these thick galvanized bars. Again, for corrosiveness and also safety of the driver. The nice thing is, again, as we talked about on the front, on the side, you are able to fix just about anything that you need without having to go through the house and taking a bunch of stuff off. And again, when your truck's down, you're losing money. We don't want you to lose money. Right here, you're going to have your battery box. Pull the two tabs, easy to access. And another cool feature that Tico does on your hydraulics, if you have a leak, you're able to close your valves and contain the hydraulic fluid to just the box versus it leaking everywhere or having to worry about losing it all. And then right here, this is to protect your tires. And if you look at a lot of other spotters, this is very thin. And the nice thing about Tico, again, they care about their product and they have a lot of pride in it. They're going to have it thicker to where, as you can see, I have to put my weight on it to actually move this thing around. And then the most important part, you got your electronic fifth wheel. You're able to, in the cab, take your joystick, move it up and down, and you're able just to keep going. You don't have to worry about getting out. You don't have to worry about messing with the trailer. You're just going to get underneath it, lift it up, and go. I want to thank you guys for your time today to look over this amazing product. Again, Tico is all about uptime, efficiency, and safety. Tico is an amazing brand, and we are now an authorized dealer of Tico, and we are so happy to have them along, and we can't wait to show you and have you come in and take this for a ride.